Now we're going to add on the petals. And with that, we want to think about a whole new element of design. We want to think about texture, the way something feels. This paper that I'm going to use, this is tissue paper, and this is a lot thinner. So to me, it feels like the softness that a real flower petal would have. So what I'm going to do is, there's a strategy we've done before in a couple of other projects where we tear that paper and we place it on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some dots of glue around the head or center part of the sunflower. All right, then I'm going to tear off pieces of this, and I need to think, well, I have two of these, so what I might do in the effort of sort of beginning with the end in mind, maybe tear it in two pieces first and try to make them the same size. So one is for this guy, one is for this one, okay? So I'm going to tear off a piece here, and instead of balling it up, I'm going to squish it together. I'm going to stick the squish part in the glue there, and it kind of sticks out, and it has that nice soft texture like a flower petal. So I'm going to tear off another piece, squish it together, and stick the middle of the squish part into the glue. And now I seem to have petals that are radiating out from the middle. Tear it off, squish it, stick it in the glue. Tear it off, squish it, stick it in the glue. If you have any gaps showing, like I started to put it here, but I noticed there's going to be gaps, I slid it over so that these are going together and they're coming around to actually make that shape. So tear, squish, stick. Trying not to leave gaps. And it looks like, if I stick this here, it's going to leave a big gap. So I think I need to put a dot of glue here in the middle. So I just have to sort of change my idea a little bit to go with what's happening right now. And I'm kind of seeing where I might need some here and here. So if you need a little more, that's fine. But again, we don't want to look like we're putting syrup on our pancakes. So squish and stick, tear, squish, stick. And this is looking a lot more like the effective flower petals, but I can see some of that black showing there. So this is a place that definitely needs a little more. So dots of glue, tear, squish, stick, tear, squish, stick. And that was already torn, so I skipped that step actually. So press that on there. All right, so I'm gonna repeat that process over here on this one. So I'll go ahead and do my dots of glue, and then I'll be tearing and sticking those so that I completely go all the way around.